A cold December night, snowflakes fall. Wonderful, magical, it's that time when everybody smiles.